Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hesley Oxy series Fingertip Oximeter. Once again, there's a personal use Fingertip Oximeter that you use to measure blood saturation levels. It has auto power on-off features and 4-direction display, which is pretty standard, and battery indication as well, which is expected. Let's open this box and see what we find inside. There's a tray. I'm going to pull this tray out. And we have a warranty information card and a user manual as well, which you should read at least once. There's a tiny lanyard over here. We have two AAA batteries, and we have the oximeter, the Fingertip Oximeter. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. This one has a pretty sleek, wavy design, not bad. This is the flap where you insert the batteries, and I'm not going to unwrap these batteries right now. And this is the display and the power on-off button. So basically, you'll be able to. So when it says four-level display, basically what that means is you can be able to display. You will see the displays like this, like in a horizontal fashion or in a vertical fashion, depending on your preferences. There's one other item left in the box. It's this particular cloth bag, carrying pouch basically. Just put this over here. You can have the battery and a lanyard as well if you want to, and tie it up in a neat bundle and carry it around. Very neat, very compact, and that's it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Hesley Oxy series Fingertip Oximeter.